Друзья, кто предпочитает смотреть ролики на русском языке, найдет их на медицинском канале. Как правило, они выпускаются первыми и всего лишь на несколько минут раньше того ролика, который вы видите сейчас.
Kind time of the day, I greet everyone on the medical channel. Sunflower seeds are not only useful, but also very tasty product. They contain amino acids, vitamins, polyunsaturated fatty acids, micro and macro elements. Seeds prevent the development of diseases of the cardiovascular system, liver diseases, atherosclerosis, as well as disorders of the bile ducts. Seeds improve the condition of hair and nails. Seeds are struggling with constipation. Only one nuance: the above properties have only dried seeds, which in the process of frying lose their healing properties. To get vitamins and minerals necessary for the body, which are contained in sunflower seeds, it is enough to eat not more than 100 grams of dried seeds a day. So, only 100 grams of this product contains about 30 milligrams of vitamin E, or tocopherol. So the consumption of 50 grams of seeds provides a daily need for a vitamin of youth. That is what scientists call vitamin E. Sunflower seeds are one of the richest sources of vitamin B6, or pyridoxine. It is pyridoxine, according to ACU experts, is an indispensable preventive against diabetes. In addition, vitamin B6 is indicated for people who want to lose excess weight. In sunflower seeds contain natural chemical compounds, which in their chemical structure are similar to cholesterol. It is these compounds that help reduce the absorption of cholesterol, thereby helping to reduce its level. In addition, the essential fatty acids that make up sunflower seeds contain a sufficiently high level of the so-called good cholesterol, which fights against bad cholesterol. Betaine, vitamins B and E also play an important role in the fight against bad cholesterol, and most of all vitamin E is contained in sunflower oil, so its use is vital. In sunflower seeds, there is a lot of zinc, which participates in the thymus gland, and has a favorable effect on the hair. They become strong and shiny. Seeds of sunflower contain a large amount of vitamin D, which plays an important role in the maturation of cartilaginous tissue, as well as in the mineralization of bones. If you notice that you are irritated and crying for any reason, and others notice that your character has deteriorated, try this folk remedy. Buy 10 glasses of sunflower seeds and eat each evening one by one, cleaning the seeds with your fingers, and not cracking them with your teeth. After 10 days of such treatment, you will feel that everything has changed for the better, and you have become calmer and more benevolent towards the world around you. When armoring accompanied by a cough, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of sunflower seeds. Pour 0.5 liters of sweetened water. Boil over a small fire until the fourth part of the water evaporates. Broth strain and take 1 tablespoon 3 times a day. Hypertension. Of unripe sunflower seeds, a medicine is prepared that helps normalize blood pressure and prevent atherosclerosis. Take a can of raw sunflower seeds, 0.5 liters. Pour into a saucepan and pour 2 liters of water. After boiling, cook for 2 hours at low heat. The concoction is filtered and drunk during the day, in small portions, for 2 weeks. Then they take a break for 5 days, and repeat the course. To strengthen immunity, tincture from young flower heads of sunflower will suit. We take 20 grams of sunflower heads, 100 grams of alcohol. Infuse for 10 days. Take 30 to 40 drops 3 times a day. Such therapeutic tincture has restoring and stimulating properties. When colitis is recommended to take a tincture of sunflower caps. Collect the hats of sunflower seed in the period from May to mid-June, while the heads are not painted. For the course of treatment, prepare the tincture in the following proportions: finely chopped hats of sunflower 50 grams, alcohol 96%, 9 tablespoons. Finely chopped sunflower hats neatly folded in a bottle. Pour alcohol and infuse for 5 to 6 days. Then strain through several layers of gauze. Take 20 to 25 drops per 0.25 cups of warm boiled water. With strong, intolerable pain, drink 5 to 6 times a day. The recipe for lowering blood sugar. Half a glass of black sunflower seeds is well rinsed and covered in a thermos, with a liter of boiling water. Seeds are encysted the night, filtered. Infusion is taken throughout the day, before and after eating. Reception of the infusion is designed for 2 weeks, after which it is recommended to make a 2-week break. Infusion is taken in 3 courses. When hives are recommended to drink a decoction of flower baskets of sunflower. Take the flower baskets of sunflower 2 tablespoons. Water 250 milliliters. Shredded flower baskets of sunflower, pour water. Boil for 10 minutes, then cool a little and strain. Cooked broth take 50 milliliters 3 times a day. Friends, to strengthen the rejuvenation of the body, you must constantly look for new advanced methods and prescriptions for rejuvenation, and the medical channel will help you in this. And in order to receive timely, valuable information, you need only a small effort. It's to press the red button under this video with the inscription, subscribe. There is an even more cunning method that will help you to be always aware of the current changes in the field of medicine. This is getting short announcements of outgoing videos on your smartphone, just a few minutes after they appear on YouTube. To use such a service to obtain information, you need to find a link to the Telegram channel in the description of this video, and as you guessed, subscribe to it too. In the meantime, I wish everyone good health, until we meet again on the medical channel.